Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, November 17, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here. We're going to start off the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see futures are moving higher today by about 8 3/4 points to 20.57 per contract. So this is a pretty nice little pop this morning in the futures market. And yesterday, the markets did have a big, robust rally, and today we're seeing a little bit more upside in the cards here before the opening bell. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see where this market goes. But again, be on your toes. This coming Friday is options expiration. That tells us that we're going to get a lot of institutional game playing throughout the rest of the week. And certainly yesterday, even despite the French terrorist attacks that occurred, we did see a big move in the markets, and you're seeing a pretty sizable move in the European markets today. So again, all markets are holding firm, and we'll see how this plays out today. So we'll see where it goes, but let's look at some stocks in the news. First one we're going to start off with is Home Depot. Home Depot reported earnings, I believe, this morning. Stock right now is trading at $124.40. Did briefly trade over the 125 level, but the stock closed yesterday at 120.84. So this is a pretty good little move for Home Depot. And again, I believe the stock is close to its new all-time highs. So you want to be careful there. A little bit of resistance around the 125.60 level. But again, nothing all that critical if you ask me. So we'll see how this one plays out once the opening bell rings. But this will be on our radar today. So again, we will be watching Home Depot. Now, in sympathy to Home Depot, traders should watch LOW, which is Lowe's. And again, Home Depot is up. Lowe's is trading higher in sympathy. The stock closed at 71.64. It is now trading at 73.67. So again, Lowe's has probably upside to around the 74 level. Give it that upside there. You'll watch for resistance right around 74 or a slight pierce to 74. But nonetheless, both retailers are doing very well ahead of the opening bell, and we will be watching both once the opening bell rings today. So if you want to come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing, and you can trade right alongside of us. Next one on our radar here is Urban Outfitters. Stock closed yesterday, I believe, at $22.67. It is now trading at $19.65. So nothing pretty here for Urban Outfitters. I don't have a great level right now, but we will watch this once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So again, Urban Outfitters getting hit this morning. Stock is trading, I believe, at a new 52-week low. So this is a pretty ugly decline, trading below $20 a share now. But we will be looking at this one once the opening bell rings. We'll try to find some patterns, and we'll look to play this one. Here's another one on our radar today is TJ Maxx Companies. TJX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $69.55. Great surge here for the equity. We will have gap resistance levels in the intraday stock chat room. So again, watch for this one. We will be looking to play TJ Maxx once the opening bell rings. We already have isolated some levels. Those levels will be posted to the members right at 9 o'clock, which still is about 15-16 minutes from now. Let's take a look at good old-fashioned Walmart. Walmart came out with earnings. Stock closed at $57.87. It is right now trading at $59.10. So good little pop for Walmart. I don't see anything all that great or all that terrible, but the stock's holding up, and you got a decent little gap up. So we'll leave it at that. But Walmart catching a bid after earnings right now. We will be watching this stock again once the opening bell rings. And if you want to trade this and the other stocks alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. We had a great trading day yesterday. We're going to look to keep that going again today. Let's take a good look at Agilent. Ticker symbol is letter A. Stock looks like it's trading down here at $36.51, but there's no volume there. So we'll have to re-examine this one in a little while, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Right now, Agilent looks to be lower, but there's no real volume behind it. Let's take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock is getting hammered to the downside. Closed at $40.81. It is trading at $34.10. I have levels already worked out for Dick's Sporting Goods. They will be posted up at 9 a.m., but this is a pretty big fall here in Dick's Sporting Goods. All right, let's take a look at Electronic Arts. It looks like they're selling off as well. Stock is trading at $65.99. Looks like they released their Star Wars game, But again, I think that was already baked into the cake. So we'll see how this plays out once the opening bell rings. There are going to be a bunch of levels here. Right off the bat, a Pierce of 65 looks pretty good for some support. Then I'll have many other levels here for you regarding electronic arts. We will play that in the intraday stock chat room today. So if you want to come over and trade this alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we are doing there. Let's take a look at good old Nuance Communications. This is the company that makes that Siri voice in the Apple phone. And what you're going to see here is that stock right now is trading at $18.56, closed at $17.05. So that's a good little pop for NUAN. I think I have some gap resistance levels for this one too. So if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, and you'll see everything that we're doing there. But we do have gap resistance levels for Nuance as well today. So again, there's definitely a lot in play, more than yesterday. And we had a great trading day yesterday. We're going to look to keep that going today. Again, come on over, take that 7-day free trial alongside of us. You'll see everything that we are doing there. Gold futures right now are down $5.40. Crude oil had a big pop yesterday. It is down 18 cents right now to 41.56 a barrel. And we'll see how this all shakes out and plays out. But the reality of it is there's still a lot of movers out here, still money to be made. And again, come on over, trade alongside of us, and you'll see everything we are doing. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.